Just wanted to kind of transition into, there is another big expectation in terms of sustainability, digital integration, because all these are becoming expectations from the global regulatory agencies. On one side, we are navigating foray into complex products and complex biotechnology. In the context of Indian immunologicals, how are you kind of transitioning the manufacturing into a more sustainable manufacturing? Your quick views on that would be very helpful.
So we are a very socially conscious organization. We have tried to balance as much as possible between profits and social good. We have caught on to this One Health concept many decades ago. Today, One Health is being widely talked about, but IL has been doing this One Health because we are making both animal and human vaccines, and we significantly contribute to the health of both. The third element in all this is the environment. See, any manufacturing activity will cause some amount of harm to the environment that we live in. So it's all about how do we minimize that so that we leave this planet in a state where our future generation can live, in a very, very happy manner. So we at IL have undertaken many initiatives which will reduce our dependence on fossil fuel. For example, earlier days we used to use high-speed diesel for all our generators and boilers, but now significantly for our boilers we switched over to natural gases and LPG or CNG. Similarly, we have solar installations wherever possible. And all our manufacturing plants are zero liquid discharge. That means we don't leave anything into the open. So we recycle and reuse nearly 30 to 35% of the water in our manufacturing plants in such a manner that our consumption also is significantly reduced, because you have to be very, very cautious about the power and water utilization. Plus, we have automated a lot of our manufacturing in such a manner that we can make more and more by using very less resources. So automation did give about 20 to 25% increase in yield. So thereby we are able to use very little resources. And also, like any other organization which is very, very active in the space of quality, all the systems that we implement ensures that all the waste is reduced to a significant level. So many, many objectives of this nature, and also as a part of our CSR activities, we significantly contribute in the space of providing biogas units to many, many households. So there also we address the environment aspects this way.